Hello, Palmview families. I'm so excited this year. We've missed every single one of you, and I can't wait to see new and energized faces. My name is Mrs. Klein, and I am the ESOL resource teacher. I will be pushing into the classroom to help out with our LY students, which is our English language learners. I will also be providing support and giving them bilingual dictionaries in their own, and also glossaries in their own language. I will be pushing into the classroom K-8, so I'm really excited about that. Last year I did K-5, and so this year with having our adding 7th and 8th grade, I'm really excited about that and working with the students. I look forward to contacting you. Also, make sure you are reaching out to your teachers and checking out their home page, their homeroom page. They have lots and lots of information that is going to be helpful for you guys. There will also be some resources in their folders under ESOL to help you with any accommodations that you may need. So keep an eye out for those updates, and we can't wait to see you on Monday. Remember, don't forget to bring your mask, and let's go ahead and practice our CDC safety guidelines. We look forward to seeing you. Bye.